Hey everyone, want to share your best gallery moments on Spotlight? I'm going to show you how to add photos and videos from your phone's gallery to Snapchat Spotlight so you can reach a wider audience. Let's get started. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now swipe or tap the camera screen to access your memories. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Tap on Camera Roll or Photos. Find the photo or video you want to add to Spotlight and tap on it. In the top right corner of the selected media, you'll see three dots. Tap on them. A menu will appear. Tap on Send Snap. At the top of the Send To screen, you'll see the Spotlight option. Tap on it. Add a relevant topic or hashtag to your snap. This will help people find your content. Tap the blue arrow button to submit your photo or video to Spotlight. You can also edit your photo or video within the Snapchat before submitting it. And that's how you add photos and videos from your gallery to Snapchat Spotlight. It's a great way to share your best moments with a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.